Hello, welcome to Simeon Graphics. Today I'll be showing us how to create new month flyer, a simple new month flyer. So the tool or app we are going to be using is Pizza Lab. So we head straight to our Pizza Lab. If you don't have it, I advise you go and download it. There are different versions of Pizza Lab. You can see I have the YD version, this is the Pro version, there's normal Pizza Lab. Their functions are all the same. So let's go. So now today this is what we are going to learn how to do exactly the same way. My style, the way I use, exactly the same style I use, the same way the layout I use to create this. That is what I'll be showing us today. So let's go. First thing we are going to do. So guys, here we go. So on our Pizza Lab, here is how it will be when you enter immediately. When you click on it immediately, this is the interface. This is a blank space that we are going to use in creating that new month flyer design. So let's go. Let's stick to this. I'll be a bit fast because I don't want this video to be long. So let's go. So the first thing you do is you set your canvas size. You come to this image size, you can see it, image size, come under, you set it. Use a size that is in my mind to do. You can decide to use any style, any size, but the one I prefer is this 4x5, which is 1080, 1315, yeah. So that's it. Okay, after I create it, okay. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to import the texture I used. The texture I used, let's go. Here we go. Go to import, then import. If it's not here, you browse it. And when you are browsing, it will enable you to choose several range. So I'm going under Pinterest. That is where my texture is. So I think I cannot find it. So here is the texture. Then let me show you how I blended it. So here is it. You come to your opacity. Yes, you can. Here is it how it was from scratch. From that is the texture. So I now reduced it to 5, the opacity, so that it will not show very well. Yeah, that's how I did it. So the next step now, after this is done, the next step is to go and import your image. Here is the image I used. This image is better, but let me import it so that you can see how I did it, how I'm able to achieve it. Let me import the image. All those resources that I will be using, I will send them to you. So now go under photo room. So under the photo room, that's where I remove the background. You can see they have two types, here and here. So let me import this. Here's it. So now increase it. Now increase it to my desired size I want it to be. So that's how it is, nothing more. After I import it like this, you lock it. So whatever you're importing, you lock it. But first, before you lock it, you centralize. Here is where its relative position, you centralize it. So after that, when you are done, then the next step now is to bring out the text called month. That month that is very bold on that flyer. So let's do this now. So let's go. As a beginner, if you're working on any flyer as reference, you have to bring it into your layer so that you can be able to understand what you're working with. So let me import it so that we'll be able to understand what we're working with. So here is it. So now we have the logo at the top. So I'll do how I achieve the logo. I'll show you now. So you come to shape, you import your shape, you reduce the size. When you reduce the size, then you come to a radius, you increase the radius to about 5. It should be 5. Then when you are done, you position it at that side that you want it to be. At the side, you can position it any side. For me, then you come to your shadow. Yes, shadow. You click blue. Then you can offset it, offset S. The offset S should be 5, then the offset Y should be 10. Then you reduce the blur radius. It's okay this way. Then you lock it. So when you have locked it, then the next thing now is to write the name. You're welcome to June. And the font I use is here. Let's say welcome to the month of, no, there is a month already, to June. Then it's alright. Welcome to June. You okay. So when you okay, the next thing you are going to do immediately after this is done is this. You are going to under your fonts. Then after you come under your fonts, then you will be able to locate your font that you want to. Your choice of font matters. All those resources I'll be using, I will paste them all in the description of this video. So stay tuned and be blessed. Then for me, I use Monserrat's bold. That's what I used. I think this bold is even too bold for my liking. Let me use the medium. Yeah, the medium is okay. Then the next thing you do, reduce the size. Reduce the size at least 32 or so. Yes, 32. Then the next thing now is this: you come to spacing, you space it out. Then you place it at the middle, come to a relative position, you place it at the middle. Then the next thing now, we are going to bring in the text that is written in bold that says months. Yeah. Now we're going to color it. In this, you can see that there are two colors inside the months. So what I did was this: I used gradient color, and here is a gradient color. You can decide to change it. What is gradient color? Gradient color is a combination of two colors, for two colors on an element, in an element. So here is it. Then I now change the fonts. We change the font. In this case, I know it's my font. I use the font that followed the Pizza Lab. Let's go. It's a very long font. Yeah, here is it. Come here. Then the next thing is you increase it. Increase the size to how you want it. The increase here is not much, so you can hold the side like this and increase it yourself to how you want it. So now the next thing, you position it at the center. At the center, yes, at the center. Then you take it up. You can see that the one we have earlier is not like this. You take it up this way. When you bring it up, then the next thing is this. There's something I did. You come to your inner shadow, click on it, click on white. You can see it. Click on white. Then increase the radius. When you increase the radius, then you now copy the text again. Position it on the same. It should be on the same place. Then the next thing you do, go to color, then click on the plus sign, then it's on gradient. You come to normal color, click on the plus sign and reduce, let it be transparent. Then the next thing now is the one behind, the month behind, you take it to the back of the image. Then the one at the front, you leave it like that. So that is how I'm able to achieve it. But you can see that it's a bit, it's okay. That is how it was on, you can see. So let's move further. Then the happy inside, you click on this welcome to June, because that's the type of font I use. You click on it. When you click on it, you now write happy. You write only happy and leave it. And now come here, come to your spacing, take it out. Then you now increase it. You increase it, it should not be too big. That is where design comes in. You know how to balance things that you see, how to balance elements. Yes, it is okay this way. Then you now change the color to white. Then you now come to your stroke. Then you now change your stroke to a cyan like color. Then increase the stroke to 10. That is it. We are done with that aspect. So what's next now that we're going to do? So the next step is this. The next step is the shape below. We'll import shape. Crop it, reduce the size the way you want it. Then you now add radius. You can do all the editing, stroke and everything here. If you don't wish, you can leave it. Then the color is blue. No, that is the stroke color, because we're going to make it white. This is white, then the stroke is blue. Here's the stroke. Then let me add radius 5. This is it. Then you position it here down below. Then this opacity, I'll increase it a little bit. Then we are here. So the next thing now is copy it. Then edit it again. Reduce it for the small part, that where it is written, where a consent EDM now is written. You position it this way. Position it this way. Now you are not going to use gradient, and you are going to increase the opacity. Then you are going to halve the stroke. Now you leave the stroke. Yes, it's then. Those are the basic things you are going to do, and boom, we are. And boom, we are done with the designs. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, message me in the comment section, DM me for more explanation. Boom, here is our design. So I hope you understand what is being taught. If you don't understand, you can message me for further explanation. Thank you.